Greetings and welcome to this training video about slot duration and slot interval. In this video, I'm going to show you what each appointment slot settings means. So the first thing here is slot duration is pretty straightforward. It's just the time of the lead's appointment. So in this case, you can tell my appointment is set up to have an hour. So it will show 9 a.m. to 9:30 here when you're inviting the leads to the Google event. And the slot interval here means that how apart do you want each available slots to be. So how frequently the appointments are available. If my working hour is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., my available hours would be 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., etc. So if I change to slot interval to 30 minutes, it's going to be 9 a.m., 9.30, and it will go with half an hour interval. Example that we are looking at right now is if you have some calendar events that's between 9 a.m. to 9:30 and 10:30 a.m. to 11. So maybe you want this field to be available to the lead. However, the settings we have right now, it will not show any slots as available because we have the slot interval of an hour. That means the only available slots for a day will be 9 a.m., 10 a.m., etc. So 9.30 will not be available because of the slot interval being an hour. So if we change it to 30 minutes and hit save. Oh, and let's just set the buffer time to 0 because it will affect the time as well. And here if we refresh the page, then as you can see, there's 9:30 that's available in here. And just now I mentioned it about something about the buffer time. So it will be included into the slot duration as well. So if just now I put back the buffer time for 30 minutes, this time slot will not be available and the 11 a.m. time slot would not be available as well. So that would be the slot interval explanation. In summary, for the beginning hours in here, it's going to start counting from this beginning hour. So if you set it to 10 minutes, then it's going to, the available slots will be 9 a.m., 9:10, 9:20, 9:30 starts to count from here. And that's the only available time slot. So let's set it back to an hour, and hit save. And refresh your page, so 9:30 will not be available again. But 11 a.m. is available. Because the way that we are setting the slot interval is 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., so 11 a.m. will be available. Thanks for listening to this video about slot duration and slot interval. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.